Good afternoon, everyone. We are back at Knott's Berry Farm to check out Knott's Berry Farm construction. It's a gloomy day, so hopefully there's a lot of Halloween-y stuff out right now. So with that, let's get right into the video. We have skeletons out right now, making their appearance in Ghost Town. Still not much happening over at the front of Origins, the Curse of Calico. They still need to add the gallows in the front, the little stand for which the hangman or the sheriff stands on, and all of back here is blocked off for the big finale of Origins. And here's the facade for the Castle of Chaos, which is Dark Ride. You'll enter right through those doors to enter the Dark Ride. I do wish there was some sort of lighting on the front. I understand it's supposed to be an abandoned Dark Ride, but I would like to see some flickering lights or something on the front because it's always so dark, and this is a pretty freaking cool facade. Still no decorations out yet for Carnival, so hopefully we'll be seeing something soon within the week. Hopefully it isn't, but it seems pretty bare for a scare zone right now. So I hope that they push out some decorations soon for this area, which will be the Goring 20s. I love this signage for Forsaken Lake. It looks great. Here we have some crypts and graves for Forsaken Lake scattered throughout Reflection Lake. Fog machines are out and ready to go. So riding Ghost Rider, I saw that the facade for Waxworks is built. The front of Paranormal Inc. is all cleared out and the facade is built. Just, I feel like the only thing that really needs to be done backstage is to clear out the depths area so that they could have a queue there. There's the entrance to the depth and some pumpkins out in the distance next to the light tower. I really hope that they hide that speaker that's right next to the fisherman because it's kind of ugly just being out in the open like that. Here's the front of the maze. Wow, that looks great. Here's the other side. But still, they have 2 weeks to go, so they better get going on that finale. Work lights are on for Pumpkin Eater. Not much longer until those back doors open so you could exit out into the hollows. So there is construction going on for Pumpkin Eater. And right there is the pumpkin that will greet you before you enter. Here we have some of the hollow decorations. There's usually fog machines in these to light them up. I really wish there was something back in the Camp Snoopy area to draw me into walking through the hollows because I'm not gonna really go out of my way just for a scare zone. Sometimes I will, but I wish there was just a maze or a show further in the scare zone to actually bring me into the hollows more often than not. We're over here at the Into the Fog, a Scary Farm tribute, where you could see all of this amazing artwork that all of these creators or artists have made. And then over here you do have Scary Farm merchandise that you can purchase. Here you have the Calico Coffin Creepers that were in the log ride, Halloween Hootenanny. And then we have this one that looks to be from Delirium that was over where Dark Entities is now. Kingdom of the Lounge Lizards. I'm not quite sure what this one could be. It's a giant castle. The only castle I could think of is Lore of the Vampire, Dominion of the Dead, and the Inquisition. But besides that, I don't know. Have an awesome looking bride. A Ouija board that I don't mess around with. And then another fan favorite was the Doll Factory. That looks amazing. And over here you have different comic book covers. Have two more Halloween Hootenanny artworks. The Green Witch. Then you have tarot cards, and Gabe Montoya so far has come out with two. He came out with the Bride and Death. So get your tarot cards because they are awesome to collect. Here you have Dark Ride. This is an awesome looking piece. The Bride and Frankenstein's monster. These are really cool. Oh, hi, me. Those are awesome. Have the Green Goblin from Ghost Town Streets. The Blue Girls from a maze that was in a mystery lodge called Voodoo Witch Project. Puppet Up artwork. Another Dark Ride. Seymour. The very first icon that Knott Scary Farm had when it first began. And here we have the Green Witch and the Tricksters. And up here looks like stamps of different mazes and scare zones that were at Knott Scary Farm, that are at Knott Scary Farm. And then this incredible looking sign for the Asylum. The very first year I went through Asylum, it was the very first year that it was at Scary Farm. It was over in the Silver Bullet area before Silver Bullet was even built. And just the trees looming over the maze. It was the scariest maze I've ever been in at Scary Farm. Hands down, no question. Shadowlands. Then this cool captain for the depths. And then over in this area, you could buy the artwork that the creators make, like a print of it. And I usually, well, this will be the second year I get the tarot card. And hopefully he makes more so that I could collect them. And then this one for the Doll Factory is freaking awesome. And then they have hydro flasks. And then you could buy 5 stickers for $10. And all the mazes and scare zones that are at the event this year. That's pretty freaking cool. Here's the shirts for this year. Very cool looking. So that will do it for me here at Knott's Berry Farm for my final Knott Scary Farm update, construction update. it starts in 2 weeks, and I still feel like they kind of have a lot to do, but I think it's just the rolling out of decorations and props and whatnot. But 2 weeks, and then the event starts. So with that, I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.